How to turn on call recording on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General, then select Software Update to make sure you're using the latest version of iOS. This feature only works on iOS 18.5 and above, so install the update if you haven't yet. Once your iPhone is updated, open the Phone app, tap on the keypad tab and dial your own number to test it out. Hit Call, and it'll likely go straight to your voicemail. While the call is active, look at the top left and tap on the small wave icon. A message will appear saying the call is being recorded, and the recording will start automatically. You'll see a voice slider that allows you to pause or stop the recording whenever you want. At the top, it shows that the audio is being saved straight into the Notes app. Once the call ends, the recording stops and gets saved. Keep in mind, the other person will hear a prompt letting them know the call is being recorded. To find the saved call, open the Notes app and locate the new note it created. It'll be labeled something like Call with Zipplify and will include a full transcription. Tap play to listen to the recording or switch between the waveform and text views. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the note to open more options. From here, you can share the audio file, copy the transcription, or save it to the Files app for backup or sharing.